Welcome to Andrea's Hair and Beauty, where you'll always experience a professional, warm welcome. At Andrea's, we utilize state-of-the-art and natural tools to enhance your appearance and feeling of well-being. Skincare, hair removal, foot care, manicure, massage, electrolysis, as well as IPL and laser treatments. The Andrea's experience incorporates quality skincare products from Thalgo and Sothys, while our knowledge and experience make a real difference to your skincare and beauty results. Enjoy the Andrea's experience today at Andrea's Hair and Beauty, Porter Drive, Havelock North.